Yeah, don't like...
Right then, good evening folks, welcome to a happy Thursday.
Good evening.
Thursday, so a bit of an impromptu one. This is completely unedited, it's going to be a very short vlog, but we have some very exciting news for you guys. Because to celebrate our growth here on YouTube and over on our Instagram, we are running a giveaway, and we have teamed up with our friends at Jackery, and for their summer trip with Jackery, they've agreed to give us...
Not one, but two Jackery 500s.
Yep,
and solar panels.
Yep, so there'll be two lucky winners that are going to win themselves a Jackery 500 portable power station plus the solar panel to charge it with. I'll put links to those in the description, so if by some miracle you do watch van life videos and do not know what they are, you can go and check them out and see what monetary value this prize is, because it's a pretty exciting prize for someone, isn't it?
Yes.
And rather than us get another free thing, we really wanted to give something back to all the subscribers and followers over on Instagram that have managed to get us here to this point. So yeah, very, very exciting, although we're not there yet.
No. And there is a little catch.
There's a very small catch. You do have to enter on Instagram. So I know some of you don't have Instagram, but use your son's account, your dog's account, your cat's pet fly's account, or whatever. As long as you are subscribed here, so make sure you go and hit the red button now, subscribe to this channel, and as long as you follow us over on Instagram, all the terms and conditions will be there, and you can enter. And there is one other small catch: you must have a UK postal address. Now I know that's crap for all of our international followers, and we will try and get something together for international followers at some point, but that is the one small catch. It is for UK postal addresses only, so I'm really sorry if you are international, but please don't unsubscribe because we do love you.
And we will sort something out.
We will sort something out at some point for our international following. So yeah,
head over to our Instagram page. There's like a link in the description, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'll put a link. It's really, really simple. All you need to do is, like I say, make sure you're following us here and following us over there, and then all you got to do is do a comment, and that's your entry.
You will see the post on our page.
Yep, look for the post on our page, and all you need to do is comment with what you love about UK summertime, and then you will be replied to with a number by us. We'll reply. It's all being run by us. It is literally just for our community, so it's not one of those competitions where everybody enters and you're in a pool of like hundreds of thousands. It's literally just for the camper vibe community.
Yes.
The Vibe Tribe.
The Vibe Tribe. Hashtag Vibe Tribe.
Are we going with that?
Yeah, why not?
We're not going with that. Yeah, you'll get a number, and then on Wednesday, the following Wednesday from this, I'll put the date on the screen because I don't know right now, we'll be doing an Instagram live, and it'll be a random number generator that will pick out two numbers, all live, so it's completely transparent, it is completely random, and those two numbers will basically get sent a power station and a panel to go with it.
This was my idea and I know nothing about it.
Yeah.
I'm just like, what's going on?
Emily was like, well, we've got enough Jackery, so why don't we ask if we could do a giveaway? You've done nothing.
No, she's had to do it all. I've been busy.
But that's about it. But hopefully that covers everything. Just another thing we wanted to say, we're getting so many questions about Summer, our little titch.
Little titch.
Hey, Titchy. She is with us. She out.
Doesn't want to be held.
She's doing incredibly well, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. We did leave her at home with Johnny for the last one because we was having the batteries upgraded and was going to be out the van for ages, and we just didn't want that to spook her and stuff. But she's been to a meet up with us, and she's been with us on our family trip, and she has been absolutely perfect and loving it and sitting out in the sun, chilling. Yeah, so far, Van Cat Summer is going amazingly.
Yeah, she's absolutely fine when we're stationary. When we're driving, she doesn't meow or anything like that, but she doesn't sleep, so she's still like awake and alert.
Yeah,
so
I think she's just got to get used to the noises and stuff. But
yeah, but this is only her like second proper trip, isn't it?
Yeah, second proper trip.
Yeah, so we are getting there, and she will feature more in upcoming vlogs. But just the early stages, we haven't filmed her too much because we're concentrating on not losing her.
Trying to keep her.
And one more thing, this Sunday's vlog, which normally goes out at 4 o'clock on a Sunday, will be going out at 4 o'clock on Saturday, because if you watched the football last night...
Nobody cares.
Everybody cares.
But anyway, Louise won't be available to help me answer any comments because she's going to be too busy watching the football.
I don't even drink. For maybe the first time in 6 years, I'm probably going to have a drink, so yeah, we're going to put the video out.
I'll film that. I'll be doing some live stories on Instagram.
Yeah, another reason is, there will be some probably very embarrassing live stories. But what you've got to understand is I've followed England since I was 11.
Oh, no one cares anyway, so carry on.
Well, that's it.
Okay, right, that's it.
That's the end of the video. You've rained on my parade.
Oh, yeah.
and England's parade for the entire nation.
Hardly. So anyway, head over to our Instagram page. There will be a post there. Follow the instructions on that post because I don't know what they are. Louise does. And then we'll reply back with a number. And we'll see you next Wednesday for the draw.
Yes, and smash the like button on here if you think England are going to do it in the final.
Anyway, I'm just going back to my coffee.